Let me share few tips in climbing Gokyo and summiting successfully. Uh, Go steady and slow with multiple breaks. If you are coming over the Chola Pass or Renjola Pass, climb and push a little bit will not be a bad idea. If you are coming just for Gokyo trek, then listen to your body and push to your limit. Drink enough water, take multiple steps, and if you are a slow trekker, walk ahead of time for sunrise and also for sunset. If you want the scenery of wide mountain but don't quite care about sunrise and sunset, it is better to start after sunrise. If you cannot make all the way to the top, make it to the 1/3 because the view is much similar from the top on the one side. In short, if you want to avoid clouds, go for sunrise, but it is cold. And if you do not care about the sunrise, go after sunrise. After getting down at the village of Gokyo, we will grab our backpack and start trekking downhill towards Machermo. From this point, Everest Base Camp Chola Pass trekking is towards the return trekking route. But still, we will be trekking in different trails till we get to Nagzumba. This EVC Gokyo trek with Chola Pass makes a circuit trek in Everest, which is nice about this trekking trip in Nepal. Namaste. Now we are at the halfway of the Gokyo Reef. You can see the Gokyo Village and Gokyo Lake down there. We did Everest Base Camp, we did Kalapattar, we did Chola Pass. After Chola Pass, we are here in the beautiful lake of Gokyo Valley. There are 6 different lakes and they are in the cascade pattern. Starting from 6th lake, one hit another, we did one of the 3 high pass. This is also considered as a famous, and the 3rd one, Renjola Pass, is on this side. This is halfway view of Gokyo Reef, and from here we can see numerous mountains including Everest, Nagzumba glacier, and 2 different lakes of Gokyo. We trekked through this glacier to get to Gokyo village. Trekking across the glacier was with rocks on the floor and clouds in the sky, so I did not take any videos. After getting down to Gokyo village, we will trek down to Machermo by today itself and tomorrow to Namche Bazaar. So see you at Machermo and then at Namche before we fly to Kathmandu from Dokla. You are welcome to Gokyo. You are welcome to Chola Pass. You are welcome to Nepal. You are welcome to Nepalgram.
Morning from Machermo. We are walking downhill from Gokyo Lake. So this is Machermo village where we are having one night stop. So the peak you see behind me, that is glcier. That's 6,184 meters. So this is the specialty of this place. And then today we are going to Namche. Namche is about 8 hours from here, and day after tomorrow we will go to Dokla and then to Kathmandu. So that concludes our trekking to Everest Base Camp, Chola Pass, Gokyo.